people, welcome back. It's been a while and we're back with a beautiful episode of Cinema in Nature. Enjoy! Hi people, I'm on my way to Karura and I'm so excited. I'm going to Cinema in Nature. It's my first time and can't wait. Let's go. Karura is one of the places where the Mau Mau revolution was taking place because it's a forest and they have caves. So this is where the Mau Mau were hiding out as they were fighting for our freedom. And cinema in nature, they help you get the story well through the cinematic, whatever. So we are being given headphones and we're going to listen to the story as we walk around and you get to imagine. Here we got the headphones and as you can see I'm doing a headphones check. Everything is cool, it's really looking beautiful and I was more than ready for the walk. The walk is about a movie. Like you're walking down the nature trail listening to a movie. This was so awesome and let's begin. I was getting ready and here is where the walk began. Just look at how the environment is looking beautiful. We were walking around the trail. We had even kids. It's kids friendly and it's so therapeutic walking around looking at nature while listening to something good. It was really beautiful and I loved it and I would like to see many people try it because it's really good. It's really a good way of spending a lazy day in nature. Yeah, you love it. Walking up to the caves, you can see the Mau Mau caves. They were really beautiful. Then we went this it's just so beautiful. Taking a photo there. And the walk begins. As you can see, it's so therapeutic and looking cool and beautiful with beautiful people. It's just so good. You should try by the way. This part our team leader was highlighting the whole movie and asking us what we have learned. It was just a summarization before we went to the beautiful part. Now this was my favorite, painting. I've never done a painting session before. This was my first time and let me tell you guys, I really enjoyed myself. I really loved it and my masterpiece. Just hold on for it. Hold on, you'll see it. I really loved this experience and cinema in nature is such a good way to spend a good day. Yeah, I really loved it and I hope to see you guys on the next. By the way guys, I'm a tour operator or a travel consultant and I can help you with such travels. I can help you with customized packages to anywhere you want. Just hit me up. The number is on our bio and we will help you out. Bye. Enjoy the rest of the video. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. See you on the next episode.
I'm rolling. Say the September thing. I don't know. This is your phone though. This is your own vlog.
to do that. So happy. The birds, the trees, the water, the sky is just so amazing. I love it.